The concept is very important for me from the beginning. But you have always to go beyond the concept when you realize the film afterwards. So there's a concept and there's an idea, and I followed this idea and this concept. But during the research and during the work on this concept, I'm open to suggestions by other people, like for example with the found footage work. I'm collaborating with the people from the film archives, so I'm carefully listening to what they are telling me. And so the concept is open. It's not a fixed concept. But yes, I'm working most of the time in a very fixed structure. Yeah, the film is finished in my head before I start shooting. So I have a clear view and perspective of the film. So when I was drawing a very precise storyboard. My opinion is that art should have social impact. Art is not something that exists separate or beyond any political or social bounds. And I'm not speaking of art in the sense of propaganda or art in the sense of political statement. I'm speaking of art having social effectiveness. The series of Film East, this was a trilogy based on the idea of trying to find out more about the elements that film is made of, basic elements, and the phenomenology of the medium. And I always had not only in mind to make a linear film that has to be screened in the dark chamber of the cinema, but I had in mind also to realize installation forms of my films, and I had in mind to go out of the cinema space to meet other audience. I have to start with my name, because my name is Deutsch, and this means German. And but this derives from a German-speaking minority in Czechoslovakia. So my ancestors are coming from Czechoslovakia, and because they were speaking German, they were named Deutsch. That's why I'm Deutsch. My personal relationship to the language is nothing special. I like German because of the possibility to combine a lot of words to create one word. Herzlichen Dank für die Einladung zu diesem Festival nach Paris.